Today is Science Sunday, and we're going to do my science experiment, Tin Dendrite. Aren't you excited? I am too. Let's open it. As you can see, this note says to do this alone, it's only for kids ages 10 and up. But I'm only 6, but I'm gonna have help from my dad.
Let's see.
Do you see that?
Oh, this is cool.
It says
We're
not
actually
suitable for children under 10 years old. But that still is, well, if there's a 6-year-old kid and a dad together, that is a 10-year-old. My dad's an electrician, so he knows what to do. So here's a tip when you do this. If you see these electrical wires, do not play with it. Electrical wires are not a toy. Go ask your dad or mom to come and help you. Or your big sibling, if they know a lot about electric things.
Okay.
Are we gonna do an electrical experiment?
Yeah.
Make a zombie come alive? That's something I really want to do. Oh, that's the instructions. I was wondering what that was. That was very interesting. Here, you read it yourself. 4 AAA batteries. Guess what? This is gonna be really fun. So, if you have this experiment, Tin Dendrite, then we would love for you if you have that, for you to do the experiment along with us, because this could be like a little toy through if they forgot to put the instructions in there. Well, of course they probably will, but just in case they don't. We're playing with dangerous chemicals now. Oh, I almost forgot, guys. When you do an experiment, you should always have protective eyewear, your hair like a ponytail or pigtails, whichever you want. And you should wear protective handwear, which are gloves.
All right, you ready to shake this up?
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna put the
sodium
hydrogen sulfate. Yeah, because it's SO4, sulfate.
Sulfate, and then the chloride and
tin to
the tin to chloride.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So we fill this.
I have a bad feeling it's gonna explode like last time we did a sugar snake. Oh no, we made a mistake. It's gonna blow.
Let me get some scissors. Okay, don't knock this over. Be careful.
10 hours later. Where is? Oh, there you are.
10 hours.
It's been such a long time.
We're all older and wiser now. Okay. All right, here we go. Maybe not.
It's gonna explode. I heard a fizzing sound.
Don't know.
Oh. These girls are bigger than you expected. Nah. Oh.
Okay.
I've really
Emptied the whole thing. Now you gotta shake it really hard for 30 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 29, 30.
Perfect. All right. Here we go.
growing, look! We did it! We made a Tin Dendrite tree, and look, it's still growing. It kind of looks like a person now. He's the eyes and the nose and the frowny face and the hair. This experiment was so fun, guys. Thank you for doing it with me.